Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and we are doing Snowflake snow nail design. I love this. I adore snowflakes. I think they're so pretty and unique, and you will never see the same snowflake every time. They're all so different and they're beautiful. So yeah, I had to do this design. As you can see, over my base I am applying this nail polish, which is kind of like glittery purple nail polish. I just layer it over this blue nail polish, and I think this looks like it's snowing already because it's so sparkly, and snow sometimes looks like it's sparkling. Oh yeah, I'm getting carried away, but you just want to apply top coat over it to make sure that everything is fully dry before we move on to the next step. That is very important. Your nails have to be fully dry before we continue to do our design. So that's why I'm applying dry fast top coat, and I do it all the time because I cannot wait for my nails to dry for hours. I'm going to use a stamping plate that has snowflakes so I can create these amazing snowflakes, and I will be using white stamping polish. You just want to apply stamping nail polish onto the plate and then scrape it, obviously. Yep. And then you're going to need a stamper. I have a clear stamper that you can see. I love this one, it's my favorite one. So you're just gonna pick up the image, and then you can remove with acetone what you have around or with a scotch tape. And then you just want to stamp it onto your nails, and your nails have to be fully dry, otherwise you will ruin your manicure. Then I'm taking another snowflake and just playing around with it, making sure that my manicure looks as cute as I want it to look. And this is so easy. I mean, look at it, it looks so pretty. I absolutely love it. I will have a video where I will show you how to freehand a snowflake, so don't worry. I'm just applying a top coat and making sure that everything looks perfect, because top coat makes everything come to life and just looks beautiful and shiny and gel-like. I love it. I hope you liked this winter snowflake nails as much as I did making it for you, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below because I love hearing your feedback, and I will talk with you tomorrow in another video. Until then, never let anyone dull your sparkle. Bye!